Here we have our point turner and seam creaser. It's a handy tool that we use to turn over the fabric without causing any damage. It's also a great tool to create sharp creases on your fabric. And of course, another optional supply for now, our notcher. It's a common tool used in pattern making and sewing that creates a notch in a paper pattern. And another one of my favorite supplies, a loop turner. A loop turner is a handy, inexpensive tool for turning narrow tubes of fabric through to the right side. When you think of a loop turner, think spaghetti straps. And of course, we'll need our pencils. A few mechanical and pre-sharpened number 2s should work fine. And of course, we'll need plenty of muslin. Muslin is a great, inexpensive, plain cotton fabric that we use to make the majority of our samples and prototypes for garments.